I now invite Divisha, Tanvi Ancha, Shanvi, Hasini, and Veda on stage. Can you please come from this side? From here. They are presenting a very, very beautiful Annamacharya Kirtana. I'm sure it's the favorite of most of you. Indariki Abhayamu Nichu Cheyi. It's the hand of Sri Venkateshwar Swami. It's the blessed hand that protects everyone and shows us the right path. It's this hand that protects everyone. It's the hand of the Savior. This hand is not only golden and shiny, it's also beautiful and graceful. So it's Divisha, Tanvi Ancha, Shanvi, Hasini, and Veda. Presenting Indariki Abhayamu Nichu Cheyi. It's an Annamacharya Kirtana composed in Harikamboji Raga.
Okay. Oh.
Indariki abhayambolichu cheyi, Indariki abhayambolichu cheyi, Kandavagu manchi bangaru cheyi, Indariki abhayambolichu cheyi, Kandavagu manchi bangaru cheyi, Indariki abhayam మంచి బంగారు చేయి ఇందరికీ అభయం బోలిచ్చు చేయి కన్నవగు మంచి బంగారు చేయి ఇందరికీ అభయం బోలిచ్చు చేయి.
Wow, wow. Full of melody. I think it was the most melodious performance of the evening till now. Each one of you.
I know what you're thinking about. I know you messed up the lyrics in second charanam, right? But they learned from me. Okay, they managed it very well. I always mess up with the lyrics, but I manage it, but no one recognized, no one noticed. So they did very good job. See,
Yes.
even host, she did not recognize where they messed up.
Yes, because I was like blown away with your improvisation of Indariki. That was beautiful.
They did not miss out the last part, but
Yes,
proud of
yes.
you girls. It was very, very, very melodious. So, first melodious performance of today evening. Please stand.
Again, that was Divisha, Tanvi Ancha, Shanvi, Hasini, and Veda.